It's a beautiful day. Find a way. Oh, what a day. You gotta find a way. Oh, come on now. Come on, Macau. Come on now. Come on. I gotta go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on. Go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on, Macau. Come on, Macau. Go, go, go. I gotta go. Oh, go, go, go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go.
We're gonna do this little patio. It's called Patio de Alem-Bosque, which has kind of a Muslim reference. So that's gonna be our focus. Let's just kind of take a look right there. So we're gonna go like in here, and I think we're gonna be going around in here too. And we'll go with this park as kind of a focus because I think that's basically the patio. And then we also have some other interesting things throughout here as well. So pretty cool streets. Okay, so that's going to be our focus, is this patio. We got a slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. The name is pretty interesting. Originally, it kind of has like a Arabic look to the word, but it's actually purely Portuguese. I was looking it up. You can see that. I did a little research on AI. So it just basically means beyond the forest is the translation from Portuguese into English. So that has some kind of historical reference. Up in this area would have been, like Macau would have been south of here, the Portuguese area of it. And then just outside of that was like these Chinese settlements along the water. And this area is like right in that area where the Chinese settlements would have been. And I guess there's a word in the Portuguese like beyond the forest. So I guess this is a reference to that. But now you can just see it's a little plaza and it goes up into towards the Camoish Park. I'll put that up on the map too. Anyways, let's go check it out. Let's check out this little plaza and you can see it as if you were there yourself. Come on, let's go. Okay, so this is going to be our focus. Check out these apartments up here. There's really cool looking. Some nice balconies. Let's just kind of move back a little bit. Yeah, and I can kind of capture the siding of these right here. So, and actually that's a different lane right there, Palancha, but ours is going to be this one right here, this little patio, which I believe is going to be this, but we're going to walk through it, and then we're going to kind of go around this patio. It's really pretty, and actually that building looks kind of cool too. You can kind of see the whole community as well. Okay, so we're going to go kind of up and around, so we're going to go like that and then come around like that. Let's get some things there too. Okay, really cool. Some storage ladders. Looks like they put some different storage things in there. Got a shrine right here as well. So beautiful. I've never really seen this one. This is kind of unique. People came to Macau from lots of different areas, so sometimes there'd be like different ones that, some of them are quite common. I think a lot of them come from Fujian province originally, like the ocean related ones, like Mizu, Guayin. Then there's other ones that, like this one, I don't know. I'm not familiar with that one at all. If somebody knows, let me know. That looks really interesting. Okay. You see all the architecture. There's some flowers here too. There's the flowers. Okay. So we're gonna be going up and come back down. So it looks like this is still our same patio because I can see the name right there. Patio de Alem-Bosque. I don't think I filmed this patio before. If you go up there, that would go all the way up to m-Bosque Park, and there's a beautiful temple up there as well. But this will come to an end right here. Look how tall this skinny little building is. It's like this little tall little skinny thing. No windows on that side, no windows on that side. But it looks like there's like a courtyard at the top, like a garden or something. Such a funny building. And so many shoes are right there. Oh, so this, I guess this is all blocked off, so somebody's probably owns this little property right there. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, it's really interesting, right? Okay. Somebody gets their own little parking space. Somebody has their balcony right there. The only one with a balcony, the rest, they do have views. Okay, so we're gonna head on down. So this is all part of the patio. And we're gonna try to go down that little alley. That's kind of cool. So this is this courtyard right there. Somebody has this little space off for themselves. So let's go down this way. Then this will actually go into a different street, but I think that to the left is kind of part of our patio, so. We'll just kind of walk up it a little bit, just to kind of give a fuller context to this whole courtyard patio anyways. Okay, that's kind of cool. Looks like it goes into a really interesting little alley right in here. Oh yeah, this would go up to the temple and also towards m-Bosque Park. Let's try to give you a full feeling of what it feels like. So yeah, this little lane. Okay, we're gonna go back down to our patio in a minute, but just kind of gives all the full context of everything. Layers and layers of apartments. They kind of go up the hill. There's also kind of two streets because this one, oh no, actually this one is here partially, but it also goes up there too. And it goes up. So I guess we'll just focus on the patio. So we're gonna walk back down, go into the patio part. So yeah, another slice of Macau, to see how interesting and elaborate it kind of is. And then you got this nice little courtyard right here. So that looks nice, especially this, got this nice little trees right here for sun coverage. Nice balcony right there too. Okay, so we're gonna come to an ending here. So we started, got that street, we had our little patio right there. And all kinds of other interesting stuff too. Okay, so that's our patio.